Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on the circular lamina. How to solve this problem by using the Solidate software. The problem reads as a circular lamina of 50 mm diameter rests on HP such that one of its diameters is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and 45 degrees to HP. Draw its top and front views in this position. So to do that, first we'll go for the Solidate screen. So first we need to change the sheet from A2 to A4. Go to right click on sheet 1 and click on sheet setup and change the background sheet to A4. Don't show the background, say OK. Now you fit this. Now we go for a circular lamina. Now I need to write the text. So go to text. So come down to Times New Roman T. Click on the font size as 4, enter. Now you start typing this text. A circular lamina of 50 mm diameter, 50 mm diameter rests on HP such that one of its diameter is inclined, at 30 degrees to VP and 45 degrees to HP. Draw its top and front views. In this position. Right click and you just go to move, disable copy, you select this and place it wherever you want. And go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. So now before going to actually create the drawing, first you make sure endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled and remove the center point now. All other options should be disabled. First I need to draw the XY line. Go to line, select this and make it 0.05, first one. So draw one XY line of any length and now you go to text. So here take the font as 3 and here take the text here, put the caps lock on, type X and here it is Y and here it is capital VP and here it is capital HP. Right click, then go to zoom window. We need to write 50 mm diameter. So go to circle, take some arbitrary point, take the diameter as 50. Okay, right click. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this and you take it inside here. Okay, then go to fit. Now you go to select what is the diameter. So the diameter is 50, so the radius is okay. Now we want to draw a horizontal line to this. So to do that, enable center point. So go to line, take the cursor here and you click on the center point, or we can go to silhouette point first. Silhouette point, what it does from quadrant of this to the quadrant of this. Okay, fine. Once you do that, now you remove silhouette point and enable center point. Now you go to rotate option, enable center. So select this, take center of this. What is the angle you want to rotate? Since I want to divide it into 12 points, 360 by 12 is 30. Then what is the position? It is 0 now. What is the step you want? Take 30 every time. So enable copy now. You just click and now you click on this. Okay. Now you click on this, then you click on this, you click on this. So you have divided this into 12 equal points. Now you go to select this and make this as 0.5. Okay. Now we have the points. So what you do, you just go to move, disable copy, you take X and you take VP and you take HP now. So again you go to text, here you type small letter A, D, G and K. Okay, then go to move, select this and keep it here, D, then K, then G. Okay. Now we go for the line command. Draw a line from the endpoint to the XY line. Similarly from here, then similarly from this point. Okay. Similarly from here. Now we go to trim. Trim this entire thing by keeping it like this. Okay. Now you go to split. Split this line till here. Okay. Now you go to select by holding this, make it 0.5. Now you split all other lines between these two. Split here, then split here. Now you go to mirror, select this mirror by holding the shift key, select this entire thing, and then this line, and this line. Mirror, enable copy, with reference to this, you copy it. Okay. Now we have all these lines. So 12 points we have divided. So now you go to text. Here you type A dash. Here you type D dash. Then here you type G dash. Then K dash. Okay. Now you go to move, disable copy. You select A dash. Then you keep D dash and K dash, then G dash. Okay. Now we want to make it as a group now. So to do that, I will go for a group command. Select this entire thing which makes as a group. Now I want to copy this to the second position. So go to move, enable copy, select this and you copy to the next position. By tabbing it, make it 0 and place it wherever you want. Okay. Now once you do that, you go to fit. So one of the diameters is inclined at 30 degrees to BP and 45 degrees to HP. Now you go to rotate, disable copy, you select this entire thing, take this endpoint to this endpoint, the rotation angle is 45 degrees to HP. Okay. Click right on this. And then go to line, take endpoint and draw a horizontal line of any length. So then go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it here. Okay. Now you go to come down to zoom window. Now you go to line, take endpoint and draw a horizontal line. And this is the first endpoint is this, which is the intersection point. And similarly from here you take endpoint. Okay, then go to trim corner between these two and also between these two. Now you go to move, enable copy, you take A dash and you keep it here. And similarly you take G dash and you keep it here. Now I will go to line, you take endpoint and draw a vertical line. So then go to move, take D dash and here you take K dash. Okay. This point is over. Now we go to line, take this endpoint and draw a horizontal line and similarly from here you take this and go to trim corner between these two and also between these two. Now you go to line, draw a line from endpoint of this, similarly from endpoint of this, which is these 2 points. These 2 points will start from here. This is the one and also this is the one. How do I know that this is these 2 points? You can see after A dash you have the next point, which is A dash. After this you have this point. This point and this point is same, which is that point. That point is lies here. So that is how we are identifying. So then go to trim corner. So here I will take these two, then I will take these two, then I will take these two. Okay. Similarly, go to line and you take this endpoint and similarly from here, this endpoint, you draw this. Then you take the end point of this. Similarly from here, end point of this. Okay. Now you go to trim corner between this and this, and similarly between these two, and similarly between these two. Now we have completed the projections. Once you do that, now you want to go to ellipse. So go to circle. In ellipse by center point, you take this intersection to this end point. So what is this distance? It is going to be 25. Okay. Sorry. Go to ellipse by center point. You take this as the intersection point and this as the primary axis as the end point. Now the secondary axis is this line, okay, which is 25. Okay, now we have the point. Now you go to select. By select this, make it this as 0.5. Now I want to split these things now. So you go to move, okay, enable copy. You take A and keep it here. You take D and you keep it here. Then you take G and you keep it here. Then you take K and you keep it here. Now you go to split this horizontal lines now first. Okay. Then take all horizontal lines. Now you take from vertical lines. Now you go to group, select by holding the shift key, you select this and then you select all horizontal lines first. Then you select all vertical lines second. Okay, once you do that, you group it. Now we have fit. So now I want to go for dimensioning styles. Go to ISO, click on modify, go to general, make it everything black. Okay, come down to text, make it Times New Roman. You take font size as 3, then go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1 and come down to units. So angular degrees is rounded off to up to second decimal point. Okay, okay, and apply. Now I want to show the dimensions first. So to show the dimensions, go to distance between, you select on this and you select on this. So I want the diameter symbol. You just go to this, click on diameter and you will go into, okay, so you will going to get diameter symbol now. Now we want to go for angle between, select this line and you select this line. So I don't want the diameter symbol there. So go to clear and say OK. Now we will get only 45 degrees. Now I want to show this dimension now. So to do that, you just go to distance between, select on this line on to this, you will going to get it as 35.36. Now 45 degrees to HP is over. Now what I want, 30 degrees to VP. So I will go for a line command, consider any point. From there I will going to draw about 100 mm. The angle is minus 30. Okay. Once you get this, so on this, first I need to take this 50 mm diameter. So how to do that? So to do that, so here first I will go for point on element, enable that, and here go to arc command by center point, select some arbitrary point. From there, what is the radius you want? 50. What is the sweep angle you want? 10 degrees. So you click on this and you keep it on this. Now we have trim, go to trim, remove this, and then go to line, remove on point on element, enable center point. So here you take end point and draw a horizontal line. Now to this I need to consider the second position, which is 35.36. Again you go to arc command by center. So select this on the circumference of the arc, then automatically you will going to get to the center here. So what is the radius you want? The radius is 35.36. What is the sweep angle? I want 10 degrees. Click on this and bring the arc on this locus line. Now I need to, then once you do that, you remove this. It's not required now. It's finished. Now I want to move. What is that? Move, enable copy. You select this. You take this endpoint should lie on the center of this. Okay, I got this. Then go to zoom window. So I fixed on one point is fixed now. I will go to rotate, disable copy. You select this. I want this endpoint should lie on this intersection point. Okay. Now we have the drawing. You go to split this line. Go to erase, delete this. Okay. Now I will go to select this line and make that it as dash dot line. Once you do that, now we go for move, enable copy. You select this A onto this now, then D onto this, then G onto this, then K onto this. Now I want to start projecting it to the front view. So go to line, take endpoint and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, we go to move. So go to line, take endpoint of this. Similarly, endpoint of this. Okay. Then go to trim this line here. Then go to trim corner between these two. Then you go to line, take endpoint of this, which is these 2 points. These 2 points will come on this side. Okay, similarly on these two. Then go to trim corner between this line and also between these two. Then again go to line, take a endpoint. Which are those 2 endpoints? That is this point and similarly on this side. And go to trim corner between this line and this, between these two now. Similarly, go to line and take endpoint of this. Which are of those 2 endpoints? That is from here. Similarly from K. Okay. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line, between these two now. Similarly, line, take endpoint. Which are those 2 points now? It is this. Similarly from this side. Okay, go to trim corner between this line and also between these two. Then go to line, take endpoint and draw a horizontal. Which are these 2 points? That is from here and also from here. Then go to trim corner between this line and this and also between these two. So once you do that, so now we have all these 12 points have been projected, and now you go to curve, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this to endpoint of this. So you joining all these things by means of a smooth curve. Okay, then right click. Then you go to select this line and make this as 0.5. Okay. Now we need to write the text now. So to do that, here you go to text and here you type A dash, then we have D dash, then we have G dash, then we have K dash. Okay. Now once you do that, now I need to zoom and go to move, disable copy, take G dash, now here D dash, then here it is A dash, then we have K dash, then now once you do that, Now we go for select by holding the shift key. Select this line and make this as 0.13. Now we go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen, then go to distance between this line and this, which will be angle 30. Now again you go to nominal, make it blank. So again you go to distance between this line and this. You don't show anything there, but go to text and here select on symbol, and here you type small letter beta, small letter b. Then go to move, disable copy, and you make this as the beta inclination. So this is how you will be able to solve the drawing by using the SolidEdge software directly without writing it onto the sketchbook. So this will going to save a lot of time when during the examination. Always you remember, whenever you have a circular lamina, don't try to do it in the manual drawing, but it will take a lot of time, and that time will not be considered, that will be considered for your final duration of up to 3 hours. So whenever the circular lamina is given, make sure you practice well to do it in the computer directly. So that will going to help you in saving a lot of time during the examination. Thank you.